Today we're making buffalo pork belly bites on the Oklahoma Joe's Marshal Centerbox. 5 pounds of pork belly, slice this down into 1 to 2 inch cubes. We're gonna hit these with a little bit of avocado oil, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. We're gonna get these nice and coated. All right, for today's cook, we're gonna be running around 275. We're gonna close this down and let it cook for 2 hours. All right, and after the 2-hour mark, we're gonna go ahead and just transfer all of these to an aluminum tray, cover them with some heavy duty foil. These are gonna go back on the smoker for another hour to hour and a half. 3.5 hours into this cook now. All right, so we went ahead, we took the foil off, we drained off a lot of the excess liquid. Now we're gonna cover these in about 12 ounces of buffalo sauce. We'll crank the heat to about 300 and let these finish off for about 30 minutes. A little bit of ranch. And just after 4 hours, some juicy buffalo pork belly bites.